At exactly 4:57 p.m., Elias Voss stood outside a glass conference room with a pen in his hand. Inside that room was a contract worth $420 million. His lawyers were smiling. The buyers were waiting. The cameras were ready. Then, Elias looked at the contract, folded it, and quietly said, "I'm walking away." Nobody understood Elias. He had spent 8 years building one of the fastest-growing AI companies in the country. The deal would have made him richer than he had ever imagined. Even his own team begged him to sign. One investor pulled him aside. "You'll never get another offer like this." Another whispered, "Don't let your emotions ruin your future." For a moment, Elias almost believed them. Then he asked the lead buyer one question. "After today, who decides what this company becomes?" The room went quiet. The buyer smiled. "We do." That was enough. Elias stood up, shook everyone's hand, and walked out. The internet called him an idiot. Business channels mocked him. Friends said he'd thrown away generational wealth. Even his parents couldn't understand. Almost nobody knew what happened a week before that meeting. Elias had visited his first mentor, an old entrepreneur named Lucien Hale. Lucien had sold his own company 20 years earlier. He was incredibly wealthy, but every time someone congratulated him, he changed the subject. Elias finally asked him, "If selling made you rich, why do you never look happy talking about it?" Lucien looked at an old photo hanging on the wall. It showed the tiny garage where his company had started. Then he quietly said, "I didn't sell my company. I sold the right to decide what my life's work would become." He paused. "Money replaced my freedom, and I didn't realize the price until it was gone." Those words never left Elias. Even his parents couldn't understand. 3 years later, Elias's company was worth more than 10 times the original offer. But that wasn't the real victory. He still chose the mission. He still chose the people. He still chose the future. Because the richest people don't ask, "How much money will I make?" They ask, "What will this decision cost me tomorrow?" Most people lose money by making bad investments. The truly wealthy avoid something far more dangerous: decisions they can't take back.